Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 6 history chapter buildings, paintings and books. Viewers, before starting the video there is a request. Please comment in the comment section and tell me where from you are watching the video, and if you have not subscribed it then subscribe the channel. Let's start. First question is the image of chief deity was placed in dash. Answer is Garbha Graha. Next question is the dash was a hall in a temple where people could assemble. Answer is Mandapa. Mandapa was a hall where people assembled. Next question is the Puranas and the Mahabharata supposed to have been compiled by. Answer is Ved Vyasa. Rishi Ved Vyas compiled the Puranas and Mahabharata. Next question is stories from the dash were often shown on the railings of stupas and in paintings in places such as Ajanta. Answer is Jataka. Story of Jatakas were shown on paintings. Next question is dash was a great astronomer. Answer is Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was a great astronomer. Next question is stories about gods and goddesses are found in the dash. Answer is Puranas. Puranas consist stories of god and goddesses. Next question is dash is recognized as the author of the Sanskrit Ramayana. Answer is Valmiki. Rishi Valmiki was the author of Sanskrit Ramayana. Next question is dash and dash are two Tamil epics. Answer is Sillapa Dikaram and Mani Meka Lai. These were two Tamil epics. Next question is dash is a well-known system of health science. Answer is Ayurveda. Next question is a circular path around the stupa called dash. Answer is Pradakshina Path. Around the stupa there is a path which is known as Pradakshina Path. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever new video is published. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.